told you hate the month of May. Could've never told you.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this makeup look right here, and this one is a makeup look which you can do for any occasion or any festival. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look right here, then please continue watching. So I already did my skincare routine and I'm going to apply an illuminating cream on my face. And since I wore this blingy jacket, I am going to do like a glam, but you can do that makeup look for any occasion or any festival. It's going to be all festival and occasion friendly. So let's get started. So I'm going to apply this illuminating cream from Bellora Paris. It is super good and it has like real gold for brightness, and I'm gonna try it out. So I've took some amount on my hand and now I'm going to apply that and blend it in.
September, think of all of the things we won't remember. I hope we make it to spring, but I can't wait. Now see, the winter sets you free. Now it's October, getting cold but it's fine, we're getting sober. Yeah, I'm thinking it's time, I need my car.
As you can see, my face is literally glowing, and now I'm gonna move on to my concealer. So now I'm going to use my Swiss Beauty Cover Studio concealer palette, and I'm going to use the orange color corrector out of that. So I'm going to use this orange color corrector and I'm going to apply that with my fingertips because I think that is way more easier to apply and blend. I'm just going to apply very lightly because for this look your base needs to be super lightweight and not very dark and cakey and heavy. So I'm gonna do that. So now I'm moving on to my other concealer, and that one is from Stars Cosmetics. So I'm gonna mix my Wet n Wild and my Stars Cosmetics concealer, and then I'm gonna apply that and blend that in with my Maybelline Master Brush.
Yeah, I'm told you hate the month of May.
So this is my Maybelline Master Brush. It is a kabuki brush. It's very thick, and I'm going to start blending that in. And if I need, I'm going to apply some more concealer. So let's do it.
But now we passed the month of May. You know it's spring for you. You don't fall too much, but I fall apart. Cause you said I'm not around when you want big rush every time we start. Yeah, cause you said you love me now. And girl, it's all too much and we fall too much. Yeah, it's autumn done now. And when the summer comes, yeah, when the summer comes around.
So now I'm going to apply this Stars Cosmetics translucent powder. Well, the name is like vanished, but this one is Stars Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply that. It is a translucent powder, super affordable, best product. So I'm just going to dab it under my eyes first and then apply on the rest of my face.
See, the winter sets you free. Now it's October, getting cold but it's fine, we're getting sober. Yeah, I'm thinking it's time, I need my coffee. Please just take a walk, you
and then I'm just going to spread it all over my face. I'm gonna let this sit for like a time till I do my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna blend that in.
Girl, it's all too much and we fall too much. Yeah, it's autumn done.
So I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to apply that with my fingertip because this is like super high pigmented, and if I apply with brush it is going to fall all over my face. So I'm just taking some amount on my fingertip and I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going to apply my Lotus Color Kick Kajal as my eyeliner, because I cannot apply liner with pen liner or gel liner. I feel that difficult, so I'm going to apply with my kajal.
Here someday, but we come apart. Didn't mean to steal that time you had. Could've never planned this so romance, but now we passed the month of May. You know it's spring for you. You don't fall too much, but I fall apart. Cause you said I'm not around when you want big rush every time we start. Yeah, cause you said you love me now, and girl it's all too much and we fall too.
Now I'm going to take a small angular brush, which is kind of like an eyeliner brush or an eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to smudge my kajal with this.
Think of all of the things we won't remember. I hope we make it to spring, but I can't wait. Now see, the winter sets you free. Now it's October, getting cold but it's fine. We're getting sober. Yeah, I'm thinking it's time. I need my coffee. Please just take a walk, you and me. You don't fall too much, but I fall apart. Cause you said I'm not around when you want big rush every time we start. Yeah, cause you said you love me now, and girl it's all too much and we fall too.
So I applied my mascara as well, and so now we are not going to apply blush. We are directly going to apply highlighter. So for lipstick today I am going to apply this magenta pink shade, and I'm going to apply that with my lipstick brush. I'm going to apply a very light layer of that, and then I'm going to apply my gloss over it.
Told you hate the month of May. Could've never told you that. Maybe I could keep you here someday, but we come apart. Didn't mean to steal that time you had. Could've never planned this so romantic.
So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media, so links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video.